Hello students! In this video, we are going to discuss the 2025 ICSE Board Question Paper Section A with complete explanations, step-by-step reasoning and formulas. Each question will be explained so clearly that even if you don't know anything at first, by the end of this video, you'll be confident enough to solve any ICSE paper on your own. So, take your notebook, stay focused, and let's begin the detailed discussion of Section A of the 2025 ICSE Board Question Paper, step by step. Let's dive into the solutions. Let's begin with Section A, where we will solve multiple choice questions with proper explanations. Question 1. The quadratic equation 3x square plus root 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 has two equal roots. Two distinct real roots. More than two real roots. No real roots. We have to determine the nature of the roots. We use the discriminant formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Rule for discriminant. D. If d is equal to 0, the roots are equal. If d greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. If d less than 0, the equation has no real roots. The roots are imaginary. Now, let's calculate the discriminant, d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here, a is equal to 3, b is equal to root 7, c is equal to 2. Substituting the values, we get d equal to minus 17 since the discriminant is negative, minus 17. The quadratic equation has no real roots. Option D. Let's move to the second question. Mr. Anuj deposits 500 rupee per month for 18 months in a recurring deposit account. If he earns 570 rupees as interest, then his matured amount is. The matured amount is calculated as M is equal to P times N plus I. Given P is equal to 500, N is equal to 18, I is equal to rupees 570. Correct answer A. 500 times 18 plus 570. Let's move to the question number 3. Which of the following cannot be the probability of any event? Probability values always range between 0 and 1. 5 upon 4 is equal to 1.25. Greater than 1, invalid. Others are valid. Probability is defined as number of favorable outcomes by one total possible outcomes. Since the number of favorable outcomes can never be greater than the total possible outcomes, the probability value can never exceed 1. In the given question, 5/4 is equal to 1.25, which is greater than 1, making it an invalid probability. So, the correct answer is option A, 5/4. Next, question 4. The equation of the line passing through the origin and parallel to the line 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 is. The equation of a line parallel to 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 will have the same slope but pass through the origin. Removing the constant term 7, the required equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Correct answer D.
Given equation of the line is 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Rearrange in the form y equal to mx plus c, m equal to minus 3 by 4. This is y equal to mx plus c. C is minus 7 by 4, m is minus 3 by 4. Equation of the line passing through origin and same slope. Same slope means here m equal to minus 3 by 4 and this constant part c is 0. So, required equation of the line is y equal to minus 3 by 4x. Y equal to minus 3 by 4x means here y equal to minus 3 by 4x. That means take 4 this side. This is your 4y equal to minus 3x. So 4y plus 3x equal to 0 is the required answer. Question number 5. In question number 5 given if a equal to 0, 1, 1, 0 then a square. Now come to the solution. This is your a square means 0, 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. This is first row into first column, this one. then first row into second column, this one, second row into first column, this one, second row into second column, this one. So answer is 1 0 0 1. Now come to the question number 6. In question number 6 given, in the given diagram, chords AC and BC are equal. If ACD angle equal to 120 degree, then AEC angle. AC and BC are equal. This is AC, BC equal. That means in triangle ABC, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means opposite angle also equal. Means B angle and A angle equal. And given ACD is 120 degree. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. That means 120 degree equal to B angle plus A angle, and B angle A angle are equal. So this is B angle and A angle is your how much? This is 60 degree. B angle is 60 degree, and this is your 60 degree, and this is a B C E is a cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. That means this E angle is your 180 minus 60, that is 120. This is your 120. So answer is your D. 120 is your answer. Now come to the question number 7. In question number 7, the factor common to the two polynomials s square minus 4 and s cube minus s square minus 4x plus 4 is which of the following? Come to the solution part. X square minus 4 means x minus 2 into x plus 2. Put now x minus 2 into x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to 0 means value of x is 2. Putting the value of x as 2 in this equation, the solution is 0. So x minus 2 is a factor. Now x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 2. Putting the value of x as minus 2 in this equation, that is also 0. So x plus 2 is also a factor. So common factor x minus 2 or x plus 2, correct answer is x minus 2. Both are your answer, x minus 2 and x plus 2 both are your answer. Now question number 8. A man invested in a company paying 12% dividend on its share. If the percentage return on his investment is 10%, then the share at par, below par, above par. If MB equal to NB, it is at par. If MB less than NB, it is below par. If MB greater than NB, it is above par. Now come to the solution part. Formula for MB equal to NB into dividend percentage by return percentage. So let's take NB nominal value is 100, dividend percentage 12, return percentage is given 10. So MB equal to 120. NB we have taken 100 and MB is 120. MB greater than NB, so it is your above par. Answer is above par. Option C. Question number 9. Statement 1. The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points D, E and F is the circumcenter of the triangle DEF. Statement 2. The incenter of a triangle is the point where the bisector of the angles intersect. Both the statements are true because the circumcenter is the intersection of perpendicular bisectors and is equidistant from all three vertices. And incenter is the intersection of the angle bisectors and is equidistant from all three sides. So both are equal, so option A is correct. Now come to the question number 10. Question number 10 is given assertion and reason. If sin square A plus sin A equal to 1, then cos power 4A plus cos square A equal to 1. Reason is given 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. Here given sin square A plus sin A equal to 1. Take sin square A to right side, that is sin A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Sin A equal to 1, this is sin A equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. We know that 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. It is also given in region 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. So region is correct. Now this is your sin A equal to cos square A. Sin A equal to cos square A, square both side. Sin square A equal to cos to power 4A. Now sin square A equal to cos to power 4A. Means cos to power 4A is our sin square A. Now put this value, this one. Cos to power 4A means this is your sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So it is correct. So both are correct. Answer is C. Next come to the question number 11. In 11 given ABC triangle similar to EFG triangle. ABC triangle, this is your ABC triangle is this one, similar to EFG triangle, this triangle. ABC angle equal to EFG angle equal to 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Then the length of the side FG, this one, side FG. Now, triangle are similar, so sides are in proportion. So, this is your BC, here is given FG, EF is given 75 and AB is given 15. EF by AB equal to FG by BC. This is 75 by 15 equal to FG by 3. So, FG equal to 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. So, answer is your A. Option A is. Now, come to the question number 12. If the volume of two sphere is in the ratio 27 is to 64, then the ratio of the radius. What is the formula for sphere? Formula for the sphere is volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancelled. Only there will be r1 cube divided by r2 cube. This is r1 by r2 whole cube is 27 is to 64. R1 cube is 27, r2 cube is 64. So r is 3, r1 is 3 and r2 is 4. 4 to power cube is 64. 3 to power cube is 27. So this is your 3 is to 4. So first one is your answer. Are formulas for sphere, cone and hemispheres. Volume, cross surface area and total surface area. Now come to the question number 13. The mark price of an article is 1375. If the CGST is charged at a rate of 4%, then the price of the article including GST. CGST is given 4%. Total GST is CGST plus SGST. So this is and CGST SGST are equal. This is 4% means SGST also 4%. So total GST is 2 times of 4, that is 8% of MP. MP is here 1375. 5 is equal to 1485. So correct answer is D. Option D is your correct answer. This is your 0 less than minus x by 3 less than 2, x belongs to Z. 0 less than minus x by 3 means 3 into 0 is 0, 0 less than minus x. 0 less than minus x means, you see, this is your 0 less than minus x. 0 into 3 is 0, 0 less than minus x. Now, multiplying minus both sides, the sign will be changed. That means it will be 0 greater than x. 0 greater than x. 0 greater than x. That means your greater than x is less than 0. X less than 0. Less than 0. Less than 0 means these two options. Now this one. This is minus x by 3 less than 2. Minus x by 3 less than 2. take 3 right side, that is your minus x less than 6. Minus x less than 6. That means x greater than minus 6. So this is your x greater than x less than 0, x greater than minus 6. X greater than minus 6, less than 0. Less than 0 means here from minus 1, and greater than minus 6 means from minus 5. Greater than minus 6 from minus 5. So answer is your option 1. 1 is the answer. Next. Assertion A. The mean of first 9 natural number is 4.5. Mean equal to sum of all the observations by total number of observations. This is correct. Reason is the sum of mean is the sum of all observations by total number of observations is correct. Here the mean of first 9 natural number. We know that sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. That means here sum of 9 natural number is 9 into the sum of 9 natural number is 9 into 9 plus 1 means 10. 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to your 4 point. This is 45. This is your sum of observation is 45. Now total number of observation is 9. Sum of observation is 45. Total number of observation is 9. So this is your 45 by 9. 45 by 9 equal to 5. 45 by 9 equal to 5. So here given this is 4.5. So assertion is wrong and reason is true. Assertion false, reason true. So option B is correct answer. Now come to the question number 2. Solve the following quadratic equation. 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Now come to the solution part. This is ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Here c is minus 4, b is minus 5, a is 2. Put the formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Solving this one, we will get this is your x equal to 5 plus or minus 7.55 divided by 4. So, up to 3 significant figure, this is your 3.14. One value of the x is 3.14, another value is 0.637. This is minus 0.637 plus 3.14. 2. Bit 2. Mr. Rao deposited rupees 250 per month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 3 years. She received 10,110 at the time of maturity. Find the rate of interest. How much more interest Mrs. Rao will receive if she had deposited rupees 50 more? Now rupees 250. Rupees 250 is a P. This is your P. This is your P, and T is a 3 year. This is time 3 years. So N is 12 into 3, that is 36 month. And maturity value M is 10,110. Our formula is I equal to interest equal to M minus P into N. So find the interest. This is maturity value minus P into N. So interest is your 1,110. This is interest. Now find out the rate. To find out the rate, here see, put the formula I equal to P into N plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12. This is formula for interest. Put these values and find the value of R. Here R is your 8%. Now R is 8%. Now if the P is more than 50, more 50 means here 250 is P, and now P is plus 50, that is 300. Find out interest. Now P is 300, so interest is 300 into n means 36 into n plus 1 37 into r is 0.08 divided by 2 into 12. So this is I equal to 13,300. Now difference in interest is, first interest is, this is 13,300 and before 1,110. So difference is 2,220. 2,220 is the answer. Now come to the question number 3, bit 3. In triangle ABC, B angle is 90 degree, AB 20 centimeter, AC 25 centimeter, and E angle is 90 degree. DE also given 3 centimeter. We have to prove that ABC triangle similar to AED triangle. ABC triangle means the whole triangle ABC is similar to this small triangle AED triangle. This small triangle AED triangle. We have to prove similar. For this one, in this triangle ABC triangle, B angle is 90 degree. In AED triangle, E angle is 90 degree. So one angle same, then this A angle is common. So angle criteria similar. This is your similar. Find the length of BC, AD and AE. BC. This BC is, ABC is a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, BC equal to AC square minus AB square, that is 25 square minus 20 square. So BC is your 15 centimeter. Now these two triangles are similar. So sides are in proportion. So AD divide, this is the opposite of right angle is AD, opposite of right angle is AC. AD divided by AC, 20 by 25. AD divided by AC equal to DE divided by BC. Equal to DE by BC, AD by 25 equal to 3 by 15. So AD equal to 5. This is 3 into 25 by 15. That is 3 5 is 15, 5 5 is 25. So AD equal to 5 centimeter. Now to find AE, AE is your this opposite of D angle. So opposite of C angle is AB. AB by DAE. Now to find AE. This is AD by AC equal to AE by AB. AD is 5, AC is 25, AE by AB is 20. So AE equal to 5 into 20 divided by 25. So AE equal to 4 cm, BC is 15 cm and AD is 5 cm. Now come to the C part. If BCED represents a plot of land on a map whose actual area on ground is 576 meter square, then find the scale factor of the map. Now come to the C. If BCED represents a plot of land on a map whose actual area on ground is 576 meter square, then find the scale factor of the map. The formula for this scale factor is K equal to root over of actual area divided by map area. Now actual area is given 576. Map area, we have to find the area of BCED. Area of BCED equal to area of ABC minus area of ADE. Area of ABC is half into base into height, that is half into BC means your 15, half into 15 into 20, that is equal to your 150 centimeter square. And area of ADE is half into base into height. If we take base as AE, then height is DE. Then AE is here 4, DE is here 3. So half into 4 into 3, that is equal to 6 centimeter square. This is 150 square. This is 6. 150 minus 6 is 144 centimeter square. So area of this one map area is your 144 centimeter square. Actual area is 1 Actual area is 576 meter square, that is your 576.40 centimeter square. So K is root over of actual area divided by map area, that is equal to 200. So scale factor equal to 1 is to K, that is equal to 1 is to 200 is our answer. Now come to the question number 3. Use ruler and compass for the following construction. Construct triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 cm, AC equal to 4.5 cm and BAC angle equal to 120 degree. Construct a circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. Measure and write down the length of the radius of the circle. This is the same question in 2023 also. Here AB is 6 cm given. Here also AB equal to 6 cm given. BAC angle 120 degree. This is also BAC angle 120 degree. AC is 5 centimeter. Here AC is given 4.5 centimeter. Only AC is different. This is 5 centimeter. This is 4.5 cm. Same question in 2023. Many questions are from 2023. Now see this step. What you have to do? First step. Draw AB equal to 6 centimeter, then angle 120 degree, then you have to cut 5 centimeter or here 4.5 cm. See, this is the diagram. First you have to draw AB 6 centimeter, then construct 120 degree. This is your 120 degree. Now in this line cut 4.5 centimeter, here 4.5 centimeter. Join this one, this is your C point. Join this one C to B. Now ABC is a triangle. Bisect the AB, perpendicular bisection. Perpendicular bisect the AB. This is your perpendicular bisector, and this line is perpendicular bisector of AC. This line is perpendicular bisector of AC, and this line is perpendicular bisector of AB. Join. This is your, this point is O. O intersect this two perpendicular intersect at point O. This is your center of the circle. Now take the radius as OA and draw the circle. With O as center and OA or OB, OC same distance. OA, OB, OC same distance. Take as radius and draw the circle. Now measure OA. It will be 5.3 or 5.4 centimeter. Given B, C, given find A plus C, B into A plus C, 5B, B into A plus C minus 5B. Now come to the solution part. This is A plus C. This is A plus means 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 4 plus minus 4 equal to 0. So A plus C is minus 4, 4, 9, 0. Now B into A plus C. B is 2, 1, 4, 2. Now first row, first column. 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 9. This is first row, second column. 2 into 4 plus 1 into 0. Then second row, first column. 4 into minus 4 plus 2 into 9. Then second row, second column. 4 into 4 plus 2 into 0. So this is your 1, 8 to 16. Now find 5B. 5 into B. B is 2, 1, 4, 8. So multiply 5 to each element, that is your 10, 5, 20, 10. Then B into A plus C minus 5B. A plus C. B into A plus C minus 5B. This is your B into A plus C is this is A minus 5B is this one. Then minus 1 minus 10 is minus 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 20 is minus 18. 16 minus 10 is 6. So answer is this one. 9 minus 9 3 minus 18 6. Now come to the next question. Next question is, in the given graph, ABCD is a parallelogram. Using the graph, write down the coordinate of A, B, C, D. Here, this is A. A is S coordinate is 2, S coordinate is 3 and Y coordinate is 3. So, this is your 3, 3. And B. What is the B? Coordinate of B is this is on the y-axis, so S coordinate is 0 and Y coordinate is -2. So 0 -2. B is 0 -2. C. S coordinate is -4 and Y coordinate is -2. -4 -2. D. S coordinate is this is -1 and Y coordinate is 3. So this is your -1 3. D coordinate is -1 3. You have to write all the coordinates here. Write separately all the coordinates of A, B, C, D. Now come to the next one. Calculate the coordinate of P. P is the point of intersection of the diagonal AC and BD. In parallelogram, diagonals are bisect each other. So P is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, A is your 3, S coordinate of A is 3 and S coordinate of C is -4. So 3 plus -4 by 2 is your 1 by 2. And Y coordinate of A is 3 and Y coordinate of C is -2. So 3 plus -2, that is 1 by 2. So this is coordinate of P is -1 by 2, 1 by 2. So coordinate of P is 0.5 -0.5 and 0.5. Now to find the slope of this is given. Find the slope of sides CB and DA and verify that they represent parallel line. To represent their parallel line, we have to prove that slopes are equal. Now find out slope of CB and DA. Slope of CB. Slope of CB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 means -2, y1 means -2. So -2 minus -2, that is -2 plus 2, that is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So slope of CB is 0. Now slope of DA. Slope of DA. y2 means 3, y1 means 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So slope of DA also 0. So both the slope are 0. So both the lines are in parallel. Now to find the next question is, find the equation of the diagonal AC. Equation of the diagonal AC. Here AC, equation of the diagonal is, equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1. y1 is 3, so y minus 3 equal to m. We have to find the slope of the AC first. Slope of the AC is y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is 3 minus -2 means 3 plus 2 5 by 3 minus -4 means 3 plus 4 7. So 5 by 7 is slope. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Solving this one, 7y minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. This is not slope. This is the equation of the line. This is not slope. This is the equation of line.